In the heart of Leicester, where the energy of the city meets the excitement of modern retail, there is a place where people come to shop and simply spend time together. This is Highcross, Leicester. More than a shopping destination, Highcross has become part of the rhythm of the city, a place where everyday errands can turn into an afternoon out, and a quick visit can become a full day of discovery. Join me as we take a full walk through Highcross Shopping Centre, exploring the shops, atmosphere, and everything this popular shopping destination has to offer.
Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never